here. Welcome to my channel. Today I'd like to share a journal that I've been working on for Tammy. Her channel name is My World in OKC, and she's doing a birthday giveaway. Her birthday passed, it was January 17th, and she wants to now celebrate a little bit later by having her subbies make her a journal and send some die cuts along with it. So I will link her video down below so you could go back to her video and see all the rules, and I believe it runs until February 25th, so you have some time here if you want to get on in. So here is the lovely journal that I've been working on, and I really hope she likes it. So this is the front cover, you guys, and I'm going to just angle everything down so you could get a better look. This is the cover here, you guys, and I love it. It is wallpaper, so it's a little more sturdy, and I thought it was really fun to use. And what I did was added this bit of trim here. I stitched it down the side, and I made a little pocket in the front. And then for its closure, what I ended up doing was sticking a ribbon right through the middle in here. So I just stuck it in and tied it around there so it would just go around. And I made it so you could just simply wrap around the whole journal, and then you could stick in here to hold your place. And this way she'll have room to grow with the journal if she decides to stuff it up, etc. So that was the closure, and I added a few cute little beads here. And now let's see the inside. I used a variety of papers, and some were the coloring papers, and these are from just a regular coloring book at the Dollar Tree. And over here I made a nice little pocket. I have this great magazine that has, I forgot what it's called, but it has a lot of inspiring pictures of what you could do around home decor and stuff, and I love it, and I thought I would use some of those images, and I thought it was really fun. And of course I wanted to include cardstock, and I do know Tammy likes butterflies, so use this butterfly paper. And on this one I stitched around, as you could see, and there's like a little pocket over there. Over here I got some graph paper, and I backed it on cardstock because the graph paper is rather thin, at least the one I have. So I did it like that, and then I added this little piece of fabric here as a little flip. And then I have some more wallpaper, a little flip there. And then this is just, I think it was just plain paper that I coffee stains or tea stains. I don't really recall. I just have it in my stash. And on this side, you could see there's a stamp, and it bled through. So I have a Julie Nutting stamp on this page. So it flips like that. I left that open. Here's some more cardstock. More images from that cool magazine. And then this one I left as a pocket in here. And then more graph paper, and I stitched all around. And I left the little tails because I like it. If she doesn't, she could always trim them, but I think it's fun to have them sticking out. So we got this page here, a little sentiment shine, some more fun paper. And this one is a little like shine to it, this paper. This actually came from a magazine package. Sometimes you could get those craft magazines and they have beautiful papers inside and other stuff. So I thought this went well with the cardstock. Then I have this here. This is a really fun page. This was packaging, this is the back, from a mask, a face mask. So I stitched on a little trim here, and here is the mask. And I got these delivered to me from Mr. P a long, long time ago. I don't know if you know his channel. I can link it down below as well. But he was so kind after I commented how cool these images were to send me a whole bunch of them. So I thought it would be fun to use them, and finally did in this journal. And I covered up where all the packaging information was. So it would be like this cute girl, and I added a little collage of papers, and it says smile. I made a little pocket here to cover up some of what packaging writing was there. and it's just like that, and then I added another butterfly. So I thought that was really a fun page. And then here's the coloring page, more magazine page, beautiful cardstock, and I did some gentle inking on a lot of these pages. And now we're at the center of the book, and I used this elastic string and I added a little beads at the bottom there. So we have that, and then this is more magazine paper, more the other side of the coloring paper, and then here's the back of the package. So to cover up what I didn't like, I added this to journal on, and I have the little stitching down here because that was like the packaging part. And then a little ribbon and a blingy, and I thought that was a fun way to cover up what I didn't like on the mask package. And that's the back of that. This page here, I just added some of this tulle. I thought that was fun, added nice texture to this page. And then we got the paper here. And then I left it open because, you know, she could always decide to glue the bottoms and make it into pockets. So I did it on some, but left a lot open. And here's the other side of that stitched paper. And then I love this. I love these sentiments that come on this magazine. You don't love someone for their looks or their clothes or for their fancy car, but because they sing a song only you can hear. And I thought that was fun. So I put that in. And then there's more stuff. It says filled with beauty. So I did pick the pages that I thought were kind of cool in the magazine and had nice sentiments. And here's the Julie nutting. So you guys, lesson learned, check all your papers. It's backwards, but it is too late. The book is bound, and I don't mind it. Hopefully she doesn't mind it. But yeah, my girl should have been the other way. And then here she is. She bled through on the back, and I like that. I just think it looks very cool for a journal. This is the other side of that wallpaper. Plain page here. I just added a little flower at the top with the bling. And then I wanted to include one of these dresses. I love making these. These are really fun and simple. And I got the tutorial from, I can't remember right now. If I do remember, I will link it down below. I just can't. And I know I have a video on this, so I'm pretty sure I could link the original person I learned it from down below. And I thought these were fun. She could make it into a clip, or she could add it to a page, or whatever she wants to do. So I'm just gonna leave it tucked in. And then we got another magazine paper. This is the back of the coloring paper, and I just put hooray. And that is the end of the journal. I left a pocket here as well. And that is it, you guys. So this is what I created for Tammy. Let me know what you think. And now one more time, the closure, you just wrap it around, really simple, and I like this simple closure because it does allow you to grow with your journal. And hopefully you will have time to participate and get one out to Tammy and some die cuts that she's asking for. I've been working on some other journals, so when I finish those up, I will share them with you all, and let me know what you think down in the comments below. And as always, I hope that you give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and hit that bell icon so you get notified every time I upload to YouTube. I'll see you soon. Bye.